How can I prevent the hex screw from stripping if I don't have the right tool?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss a practical and common problem: how to prevent a hex screw from stripping if you don't have the right tool. We'll go through a step-by-step process of dealing with this issue, and we'll ensure you don't damage your hardware in the process. Let's get started.
What is hex screw stripping?
Firstly, let's understand the problem we're dealing with. Hex screw stripping occurs when the hexagonal shape of the screw head is worn down, often because of the use of an inappropriate tool. This can lead to the tool slipping or not fitting properly, causing the edges of the hex hole to become round. It's a common issue that happens when we don't have the right-sized hex key or Allen wrench.
Identifying your tools.
If you don't have the right hex key, it doesn't mean you're out of luck. Look around your toolbox for alternatives. Flathead screwdrivers, pliers, or even a coin can be used if they fit the screw head well. Remember, the goal here is to avoid causing further damage, so whatever alternative you use should be a good fit.
Using alternative tools safely.
Once you've identified a potential tool, you'll want to ensure you're using it correctly. Position the tool in the hex screw head and apply even pressure. Don't force it if it's not fitting well. That can lead to further stripping. Also, always remember to turn the screw slowly and carefully to prevent any further damage.
Using a rubber band or duct tape.
If all else fails, a simple rubber band or piece of duct tape can help. Place the rubber band or duct tape over the stripped hex screw head, then press your tool into it and try to turn the screw. This can provide extra grip and may allow you to turn the screw. And there you have it. Even without the right tool, there are ways to prevent further stripping of a hex screw. Remember, the key is to be careful and patient, applying even pressure and taking your time. Hopefully, these tips help you out next time you're in a pinch. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more practical DIY solutions.